Hi, I'm Dr. Asif Rajmal. Me and my wife, we are both physicians working in Srinaran Institute of Medical Science, Chalakya, Manali. And as a part of our further training, we are required to take IELTS Academic exam. And my requirements were 7 in all individual modules and an overall score of 7.5. And my former wife, she needed an overall score of 7. So we joined classes, 2-month classes here for IELTS Academic. And currently my scores are, for listening I got an 8, reading 9, and for speaking I got a 7.5, and for writing I got a 7. And scores of my wife are, she got I think 8 for listening, for reading 8.5, speaking 7, and for writing she got 6.5 and an overall score of 7. I got an overall score of 8. So we were able to achieve these scores only due to the help and support of the teaching faculty and also staff here in British India Academy. And actually they provide good quality facilities for doing listening tests, and the staff, they correct their both our writing tasks on a daily basis so that we can improve ourselves. And also don't feel hesitated to ask questions to them, so because they are really helpful. And they also provide us with a lot of books so that we can refer our essays and better ourselves. And I would definitely recommend this institution for those who aspire to achieve more scores in the IELTS exam. Thank you.